Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about something very interesting to me and hopefully to you, and that is how to internally link your blog web pages. Now, this is something that traditionally has been very manual and tough to do. However, there's a new solution called Link Whisper that I'm going to show you how to use today and how fantastically simple it makes internally cross-linking your different blog posts. Let's check it out. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to jump over here to the computer and show you this software that I found. So this is Link Whisper. Now, I'm inside of the dashboard here on my blog. I'm inside of the report, and what this is doing is pulling all of my web pages and all of my posts inside of WordPress, meaning blog post content. So as you can see, I've got a few different blog posts here that I've created recently, and in order for you to check the links, you've got some information here on the page. So you've got the blog title, obviously, when it was published on all of these different pages, the number of inbound internal links. Now, this is very important because look, you can see I have none here, I have none on this one, I have none on this one. So what we want to do is, again, as search engines crawl your website, as they look through this content, you can rank higher in SEO on search engines by optimizing your internal links. It's a web. Think about it like that, right? So let's look at this post right here. I'm gonna go to edit, add outbound links or internal links. And so this is just the blog post here. So what you're gonna wanna do is scroll down to the bottom here and you'll see this is Link Whisper. And what it's done is on my content up here, it has scanned through all of my content, okay? And what it's done is realized, hey, we've got a couple different things that we can cross-link from this post. And it shows you the other post that it will cross-link to. Now, I've already done some of this. You can see I have a couple links here where it's gone in and linked to these other pages. So the relevant pages on your website, what's exploded online. I have another post, how I made $50,000 online. You would just add that one and it would link this inside of your post to this other page, okay? And then this, this is not super relevant. You can edit this and change the text that is actually being cross-linked to somewhere else that makes more sense. This one doesn't make too much sense, so I'm not gonna add that. Selling on it. This one, it's just pulling the text. Contextually, that's not a super relevant link, but to add it, it's super simple. You just add, click the plus icon, and then it will update your post. As you can see, I've already done a couple of these. What you need to do on Amazon, and this is linking to another post where I talk about the Amazon affiliate program. And then of course this one, if other people are selling the product, this one's linking to the post I talked about what I learned selling products. Here's some product page optimization tips. So really making sure you're linking to relevant articles. Now, the key here, the question would be, well, what if I don't have other content that's even relevant for some of these suggestions that I have here? And that is a great question. And the answer, unfortunately, is that you need to create more content. That way you can start to cross-link it on your blog or whatever it is you're doing here. Because the more relevant your blog is in your niche, you can cross-link those different topics, and that'll keep users engaged, that'll lower your bounce rate. It'll show Google that you've got the right ranking factors, so that way they'll start to index more of your website, right? They'll start to rank you better on those different search terms. But I am very impressed with Link Whisper specifically because it lets you easily do this. Because before Link Whisper, what you would have to do is go in here to all of your posts inside of WordPress, and it was a huge mess. look at all of your posts, figure out, what areas of, your current post you could link to these other posts, and then you're searching for keywords. But this makes it so simple because they're pulling in the phrases, they're pulling in all of your posts, scanning them, okay? It's a very simple software. I can't believe nobody came up with it before this. And then you can quickly and easily watch this. I can select actual other pages here, right? And then if I think something else is more relevant, and then if I'm ready to add it, I just click that and say, add outbound links. Look at this. Give it a second to refresh. It goes in, adds that link inside of your blog post, and you've got that ready to rock and roll. So this is a really great software. I would highly recommend it. And furthermore, what you really should do once you start using Link Whisper and cross-linking your blog posts, be sure that you have Google Analytics installed on your website. That way you can track what's happening, what pages are getting more organic traffic. And that's the beautiful thing about digital marketing and online marketing, is that you can track literally anything that's happening, and you can see what's working and what's not working, and keep doing more of what's working. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is a quick overview of Link Whisper, what it can do for you to help you cross-link your blog inside of WordPress quickly, easily, and for a cheap annual price. So check that out. Links down in the description. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more, let me know down in the comments below what else you want to see, and I'll do a video about some of the requests if it makes sense. So let me know what you want to see. I'll make some new videos, and that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.